Fix your Cash App Bitcoin withdrawal canceled for your protection. Here's exactly how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Cash App won't let you send or withdraw Bitcoin unless your ID is verified. Open the app, go to your profile, then tap Personal, and make sure everything is filled out. Step 2. If your payment method is flagged or expired, the withdrawal won't go through. Tap Link Banks and make sure your card or bank is active and matches your name. Step 3. Cash App sometimes flags large Bitcoin transfers as suspicious. Try withdrawing a smaller amount first, like $10 or $20 worth, then increase gradually once it works. Step 4. Sometimes the cancel is automatic due to system checks. Give it a day, then go back into the Bitcoin tab and try the withdrawal again. I hope this video helped you. If it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments.